Hey, what's up guys? Video Game Bros here, Peterson here, and today I got this 3 packs for Yu-Gi-Oh! 25th anniversary. We have 2 packs for Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon and 1 for Spell Ruler. Now, so they'll open up here. Josh, Mike. This is King Fog, Dark Energy, Flame Manipulator, Sandstone, Dark Fire Dragon, Man Eater, Witty Phantom, Skull Red Bird, and Root Water. Second pack. Here. Oh, Sparks, Fire, Yaru, Hit through me Giant, One-Eyed Shield Dragon, Capture Jar, Dark King of the Abyss, Follow Wind, Lavas, and Succubus Knight. This cool. And last pack is a Spell Ruler. Okay. Oh, Fairy's Hand, Mirror, Labyrinth. Whoa, that's Paradox. Dark Witch, Slot Machine. That's bad. Oh, Cyber Jar. Mystic Plasma Zone. Twin Long Rods 2. Oh, Giant Turtle who feeds on flames. And oh, Commencement Dance. Cool. That's cool. So this is a 2 packs for Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon and 1 for Spell Ruler. It's cool for Yu-Gi-Oh! 25th anniversary. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and click it to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and link it to the bell. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.